Okay, good evening, everybody. This is Shai with you from VTrender, and this is just a short video to describe the footprint charts which we are using in the trading room these days. So it's going to be a short video. I don't want to take too much time in describing what this is, but a few requests came through email as well as in the trading room about the best way to see these charts, and which is why okay we are doing this short video, and hopefully it should clear out things a bit more from my perspective. At least I'll do my best to explain uh, what I see in these charts and the best way to interpret the data which is available on the screen. Okay, so those of you who've traded with us over the past few months are looking at these charts and what we had previously, and you would immediately realize there is a lot more data on the screen. But the essence of the chart, the profile setup, the value areas, the VWAP, the IB band, those are all the same. What's changed is the way we are seeing within those thick charts or those volume charts, or even okay at one point of time we had Renko charts also. So what's changed is basically the way we are looking inside the candle. Okay, that's the only difference, and the rest of the thing is all the same. So quickly, okay, I'll go through what this is there on the chart. It's there in the premium section of the blog. If you look up the must read section, the top right, you would find an explanation to all the features of this chart right over there. But to go through it again, what we have over here is the VWAP bands, the IB, which is the darker shade of gray. Then this light blue over here is the developing value area. Similarly, over here, okay, you'll find the VAH, VAL, POC of the previous day. Then we also have the VWAP bands. These are three standard deviations of VWAP, guys, not the two standard deviations which are generally used. This, of course, is the VWAP line right here. Okay, and yeah, these two lines are based on the LVNs and the HVNs, the high volume nodes, on a weekly perspective. So they will keep on changing during the week. There's one here. It's gonna be a moving line. It's gonna move along with the auction. So there's gonna be another one. There's basically okay two of these lines in the chart at all points of time. Then the IB range and the day range is right here. Okay, the spot chart and the values, the high, open, low, close is right here. This is the delta chart. This is the net difference between all the volume which traded at the bid as well as the ask. I'll describe this in a little bit more detail afterwards. And this is the delta at price, where we would be having the delta traded at a particular price. Okay, now there is a slight difference. This is the delta of this candle, the 5 minute candle, and this is the delta at price. That means this is at 8710. Whether there were buyers or sellers, more buyers or more sellers is going to be reflected here. Okay, and this is for this particular bar, okay, which is here. So that is the difference, okay, between the two deltas. Of course, okay, the green pink one is still there. The green, okay, would be more buyers. This is a sum of all the volumes, okay, which came up over here. So if you see, okay, delta turning green, you'll find this going into green immediately, and it's going to tell you, okay, that the immediate short term is up. And if you find, okay, red delta, this is going to be turning pink, so you'll know immediately, okay, that the immediate short term is pink. And then of course, okay, the green and the pink, okay, will keep coming in. So that's remained, that's the way, okay, it was always. And this is where we are right now. So just a small idea about what is there in the chart. The developing value areas is in this turquoise blue. would be telling you where the market is auctioning in for that particular day, and these would form in as the value areas of the next session. Okay, so let me just try to zoom this chart a bit. Okay, so what I wanted to basically go in is how best okay to look at this chart. Now, before I go in there, I just wanted to zoom in and to see what these volumes are. Okay, this is of course okay, like we discussed, it's a 5 minute volume chart, and you basically okay would be getting the sellers into buyers over here. The sellers would be on the left hand side. There's a multiplication sign which divides everything over here. So it's basically okay, gonna be sellers on one side and buyers on the other side. Okay, and that's the way okay the traditional order book is. You find buyers trying to lift price, and then you find sellers trying to bring price down. Okay, that is the basic nature of the auction process. Okay, so what we are going to be seeing over here is whether this particular buyer okay is in the green, okay, is interested in taking the market up, and if this particular seller is pushing the market down. So that's the entire equation over here, and the sum total of this 150, 1175, 2650, 11025, 2076, 16925, the sum total of that and the difference is going to be reflected over here. So if this particular candle is red, what it tells us is there were a little bit more sellers in this candle than buyers. Okay, if it is green, and of course okay there are more buyers over there than sellers. Okay, what we need to look at is when we're looking at that particular candle is we need to see if these sellers, the red ones, come at the top of the bar or at the bottom of the bar. Likewise, if you're looking for buyers, preferably okay the buyers okay should come at the bottom of the bar to lift price up. Okay, the seller's job is to push price down, the buyer's job is to push price up. So we're looking for sellers okay to come at the top of the bar, we're looking at for buyers to come at the bottom of the bar. That would be the best way okay to lift the entire bracket up, to bring lift the entire price structure up. Okay, it happens sometimes okay that if the seller is at the bottom of the bar, okay, he's gonna be generally okay be overwhelmed, and most likely okay he is gonna liquidate the position. We consider that to be a weak seller, okay, as against okay a seller who sold at the top of the price. This is just basically okay some practical info about the market, okay, and how it flows. Secondly okay, then when we're looking at this footprint chart, we're looking at it diagonally. Okay, I've mentioned this in the blog post as well. So you're seeing how many sellers and how many buyers are there diagonally across like this. So you're looking at 3475 against 3875. That's 3475 sellers against 3875 buyers. Okay, again 3425 sellers versus 7100 buyers. So you're looking at things diagonally. Okay, 1525 here, 3500 sellers. Okay, we're trying to see okay what happens okay to price sideways. Okay, then then uh, we're looking at four different shades over here. Okay, there are basically okay about three shades over here. One would be a red, one would be a green, and then there's a silver or a golden color over here. The silver and the golden is light volume. Okay, the red and the green would be your aggressive players who have come. Okay, so try to look out for greens at the bottom of the bar. These would be the players okay who would be lifting the market up. So how best okay do you trade on this chart? How best do you trade on this chart? Okay, very simply, okay, when you're looking at this chart, okay, trust first. Of course, the rules of market profile are still there. Okay, value area high, value area low, and VWAP. Okay, we say that buyers are in control over value area high and sellers in control below VAL. Okay, secondly, buyers are in control over VWAP, sellers in control below VWAP. Okay, next, okay, if let's say okay you're entering the market and you want to take in a trade. Okay, and you're just looking at this particular chart over here, and I'm wondering, okay, what trade to take. Okay, you're an intradayer, you're looking, okay, to take your first trade of the day. Okay, so basically, okay, what you're looking for is where this market is trading. Okay, let's say, okay, you entered around 10:15 in the morning after the market is done its first 1 hour of work. Okay, and then immediately, okay, as soon as you entered, you saw, okay, that the market was around VAL, the value area low, okay, of that previous day was at 8741. Okay, so obviously, okay, your bias, okay, is there, okay, on the short side, because, okay, you know, okay, that if you entered the market and you're looking at value areas, the seller is in control below VAL. Now, to take a trade, how do you take a trade? Okay, you see VWAP. Okay, you see the relation of price to VWAP. So here it is at VWAP when you entered around did I say 10 o'clock? Okay, I said 10 o'clock. Okay, 10:15. You entered over here and you're seeing, okay, the price is there at VWAP. And immediately, okay, you look at the pink or the green. Okay, if it's pink, okay, then you know, okay, that the seller is trying to get the initiative over here. Okay, the minute, okay, you notice, okay, it's become a pink, immediately look down. Okay, when you look down, get that 11 o'clock. Okay, right here. Okay, so when you look down, when you first notice whether it's a green or a pink. It's a little bit difficult, okay, zooming in the chart and everything else. So like I was saying, you look at the green, pink. Okay, you want to take a trade. Okay, you look at the green, pink. Okay, it's become pink. Okay, you look at that 5 minute bar. Okay, you see, okay, there are sellers, and you look at the bottom of the bar. Okay, you see if the delta has become green or pink. Okay, so you're looking for a pink. You look at the bottom. Okay, you know, okay, there have been a little bit more sellers, not as many aggressive sellers over here. The delta is marginally on the sell side, so you know, okay, that the sell side is good. Okay, let's say, okay, you entered over here. Okay, now you got a pink. Okay, you know, okay, delta is confirming, okay, that the sellers are moving in. What does this tell you? Okay, that the sellers are gaining in a little bit more in terms of control over here. So if this was the price, okay, you initiated that trade around 8738. The confirmatory signals were price below VAL, yes, price below VWAP, okay, just at VWAP, and then, okay, the delta is telling you, okay, that the sellers are gaining a little bit of control. So you initiate this trade over here. Okay, you look for, okay, that sell signal, okay, of the aggressive red coming in at the top of the bar, and here, yeah, of course, okay, you're getting 64 and 9625 coming at the top of the bar. So this is convincing you, okay, that your trade is right. It's on the sell side, and you can go into generating, getting that sale pink for yourself. Now what happens? Okay, as the trade is progressing, okay, you're about 15 points up on the trade, but suddenly, okay, you're noticing, okay, that the greens are coming in, the buyers are coming in at the bottom. Okay, try not to pay attention to the buyer, okay, which is there at the top of the bar, but like I've been mentioning, the buyer at the bottom of the bar, okay, it's telling you, okay, that there are people, okay, buying the dips over there aggressively, okay, buying the dips. So you be a little bit cautious over here. Even though there is a pink overhead, you know, okay, that buyers are going to come in and defend these prices moving down. So you try to think about taking profits out over here. Your trade, okay, is not gonna be uh, going out in a much giving you lots more profits if buyers are coming over here. So try to be a little bit more defensive, bring your stop down, or try to take profits out over here, and eventually, okay, it's gonna turn. So what happened over here is, you notice, okay, around 8724, 8720, the buyers were coming in and they stepped in even more aggressively at 8705. So even though it's not turned green for you to turn your signal, for you to change your trade, you know, okay, that this short side sale is running out. Why? Because, okay, buyers are coming in. Okay, so accordingly, okay, you think about taking profits over here. Okay, you take profits. You know, okay, buyers are coming in, but again, okay, there is no confirmation yet, okay, that they have gained control. Okay, basically, okay, what you're trying to do over here in this market is trying to see who is in control. Okay, and in whichever time frame, okay, you are trading. Okay, that's number one. Okay, what this footprint chart will tell you is, who is exhibiting control in whichever time frame, okay, you're looking at it. This chart is here is 5 minute volume information, but it's going to be the same, okay, whether you look at it in a 20-minute chart or a 30-minute chart with the same set of buyers and sellers which are there in every chart. Yeah. And then again, okay, let's say, okay, you want to look at a buy trade over here. Okay, okay, buyers are in control, but then the order flow is not turned completely. Okay, it's still pink over here. You wait, okay, for it to turn green, okay, which it did, okay, in this bar around 8726. Okay, and that's where, okay, you initiate that buy, because okay, buyers are interested, the order flow is telling you that, the footprint is telling you that, and you, okay, wait for it to go green, okay, and you take that trade. Okay, so this is just the way, okay, that trade panned out over there. You took that green, okay, it went up to about 8755 odd. It kept rising, kept going. Okay, there is a little bit, okay, confusion over here. Okay, but if you trade like this based on this green pink and the confirmation, okay, to come in, okay, from these candles as well as a delta, you're eliminating a lot of guesswork, okay, in your trading, in your short term trading. Okay, the purpose of the footprint is to look inside the bar. Its purpose is to show you who is in control, the buyer or the seller. Okay, and you get to see the actual market coming to you real time. Okay, I always say, okay, be patient. Okay, don't buy in a sea of sellers and don't sell into a sea of buyers. Okay, if you're looking for those kind of intraday setups, this will tell you whether the buyers or the sellers are in control, where they are in control, which prices, okay, they are at, and you can control your trade that much more better if you see all this data with you. Okay, this is just the nifty chart of today's trade, that was Friday. But even on a highly volatile day like yesterday, I just wanted to run over this example of yesterday. uh, we had these two big moves. This was, I'm referring to Thursday 5th Feb chart, and if you can see it on your screens, this was a highly volatile day. Okay, it rose up about 150 points, and it fell 150 points. So whatever be the market, okay, you are seeing actually, okay, what is happening. Okay, the buyers and the sellers, okay, coming in. So this chart yesterday suddenly, okay, this rise, okay, came in from 12:30 in the afternoon. This is the 5th of Feb chart. Okay, so out of the blue, okay, you have a green order flow. Okay, you have, okay, some buyers and sellers coming together. It's basically, okay, been flat, and the market takes off above IB high. Okay, you suddenly, okay, see some green, 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 green there, and then, okay, boom, okay, 8801 to about 8825. Okay, the market is gone. Okay, you see, okay, this seller, okay, is trying to come over here. Okay, but he's not able to do anything. He's at the top of the bar, but the price momentum is there. Again, okay, he's coming back over here, 8845. Price momentum is there. Okay, the seller is not able to do anything. Okay, now remember one thing, okay, when you're looking at the footprint chart, okay, after you buy, you become a seller, right? You are here to trade. Okay, so it does not mean, okay, you're going to be holding on to your position, okay, forever. Okay, after a person buys, he is looking to sell. Okay, so he may not put in a limit order, but he takes his position, okay, in the seller's queue after he has bought. And same way, okay, after a person sells, he is a buyer. Okay, so he's got a position, okay, he's looking to square it off either with a stop loss, or he's trying looking to take profit. So after he sells, he becomes a buyer. Okay, so most of the market movement is not through buyers or sellers, okay, coming directly into the equation. They are through short covering, through long liquidation also. So these people, okay, who are here, okay, suddenly, okay, you find, okay, that they are these are huge sell orders, okay, around 110, 115, huge sell quantities, but they are holding on to the positions. You cannot see, okay, a lot of green over there. 203, 38, 123, 24, and they have not yet liquidated. Okay, so 74, 75, 1125, 62,000. These buyers are too few in number compared to the kind of quantities, okay, we are seeing over here. These are very abnormal prices over here, 203, 123. So you can see that the market is going up, but it's not going up, okay, through a lot of buyers. Maybe, okay, some short covering, some limit orders, okay, went off, and the market took off. Okay, and then, okay, tried, okay, to find some buyers around here, around 8853, 8870. So at this point of time, even I was expecting the price, okay, to go up to about 8930 based on short covering, because I knew, okay, that these sellers were stuck. Now there was no evidence, okay, through the delta at least, okay, that they were liquidating or wanting to liquidate. But that was the intention, okay, that short covering, okay, would happen and the market is going to close higher, because okay, we had already crossed value area high, VAH. Okay, so subsequently, okay, that next half an hour between 1:30 to about 2 o'clock, okay, you see, okay, that there is no aggressive selling, okay, but some green is there on the screen, and then the passive order flow is still green, trying to push up the market. Okay, so it's still there. Those buyers, okay, from lower maybe are stronger, okay, than these sellers, okay, who have come in, and both of them are there, okay, looking at each other eye to eye. Okay, but you don't have a signal yet to go out and sell into this market, even though everything is red. There's another stream of selling, okay, which came here right at the top. Now these are very big numbers, 107,975. Generally, okay, you'll find it about 15-20,000 here and there, but these were high numbers, okay, which were coming in right at the top. Okay, even here you see this seller is still active. Okay, so all these guys, okay, was selling, okay, from 8842 right up to about 8880. I think the high was around 8890. They were still interested in the sudden, but our short signal was not there. Okay, our short signal was not there because the green pink was still green. Okay, so it was telling us, okay, that the sum total, okay, of the volumes, okay, which had come in so far that day was still in the green, and the market, okay, had every chance to go even more higher, even though the rise or quality of the rise, okay, was not that great. Finally, okay, we got a pink over here, and then as soon as that pink came, okay, you can see, okay, these heavy bit of sellers over here. Okay, this was not enough, okay, still to tilt price. But okay, if you're taking a sell signal based on this green pink over here at 8870, or maybe at the bottom of the bar over here at about 8860, okay, okay, that this is your confirmation again. Okay, you're looking to sell. Okay, your confirmation, okay, is the delta going red in the next two. That means sellers are with you. Okay, you got a pink over here, you got a red over here, and this was, okay, confirmation which you wanted, okay, to get that sale going. 8847, you went red, you're getting red as the trade goes on, and then 8815 VWAP broke. Okay, that means, okay, some more selling came into the market immediately. Yeah, you see, it's all red. There's no green. Nobody's trying to, okay, buy into this market, okay, which is selling off. And then from 8870, this market, okay, cracked right up to about 8753, almost about 100 points, and the first signs of green, okay, came over here. So if you're short on this pink, what you're doing is, okay, as soon as you see this green, okay, you're trying to tighten up. Till then, okay, there's no reason for you to worry, okay, about closing that sale, because there are there's nobody, okay, trying to, okay, buy into this market. Here was the evidence that some buyers were coming. So here you begin tightening up. Okay, and eventually, okay, yeah, this was around 315, 330. Okay, some covering, okay, happened at the close, and then that was the day. So simply put, guys, okay, you have all the information right now in front of you. Okay, follow your green pings, follow VWAP, look at what is happening. Okay, we have taken the guesswork out of trading. Okay, this is the way, okay, it is being traded, and you're seeing the volumes happen right in front of you. So be confident, step out over there, take your trades. There's nothing to fear. Okay, the whole purpose of the footprint is to trade without fear. See the market for what it is, no guesswork. Okay, see the buyers, see the sellers, take informed decisions, and you're good to go. So I hope, okay, it this video has been helpful, and hopefully, okay, you'll be able to apply these charts to better your trading in the week to come. Thank you all for listening in, and I'll sign off on that note. Thank you.